Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry with Stamped Treasures. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am excited to be here to share with you my newest mini album class that will be available in person to go, and there is a tutorial available to purchase as well. So I'm calling this a gift bag mini album, and it's created using some craft gift bags, some envelopes. We're going to bind it, and we've used the Stampin' Up's Weekend Adventures Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. So let me share the details of what you'll get in class, and then I'll share a quick little flip through. So if you participate in the in-person class or get a kit to go, which can be shipped anywhere in Canada, you'll get a Weekend Adventures kit, 12 by 12 piece of early espresso cardstock, any extra cardstock that you'll need, some tape for the binding, some string for the binding, a package of linen thread, 2 of these craft bags, and 4 craft envelopes, as well as any die cut pieces, which there's not actually a lot. There's just a couple in this class. Most of the contents come from the workshop kit, which is so great. Our scrapbooking workshop kits are fabulous for creating mini albums because there's so many die cut pieces and stickers. They're great for embellishing. All right, so let me share the mini album. This is such a fun interactive album. Okay, so it opens up like this, and make sure I'm in camera. So there's a pocket up here that you can add extra photos. There is a little tag here, and then this opens up like this. There's an insert here. There's a pocket here that you can tuck extra photos in, and then got this, another pocket here, another pocket here. Here we've got a tag that will hold some photos and then some extra photos. And this comes out. And you can add photos or journaling in that, and then it just kind of tucks underneath here. Again, another pocket here, and then the back of the album. So this would be perfect for kind of documenting maybe a summer holiday that you took, or some of your favorite summer memories. If you like to camp or have a lake lot, this would be great to document some photos from that. So details for the class. The in-person class will be held Sunday, October 5th at 1 p.m. here in Sherwood Park. And the deadline to register is October 21st. Class kits to go will be available until that same time, or not October 21st, September 21st. Kits to go will be available until September 21st as well. And I will link to where you can find all of the information and register in the description below. The tutorial will also be linked below. So if you don't live in Canada but want to participate or create one of these, then I do have a tutorial only option, which includes photos of all the pages, measurements, a full supply list, and a video that walks you through assembling the album, including cutting the DSP so that you cut it correctly. All right, so I hope you decide to join us in class. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.